Hey Mike, I just wanted to show you, you mentioned about the pipe, so I'm going to write more in the email obviously, but I just want to show you, I'm sitting almost, I have this 15 feet tape, and I'm definitely sitting more than 15 feet away from the pipe end, and look at this water. I can't put my shoes, it will be those, so my whole fingers are going down in the water, and this is, I'm sitting 15 feet away from the end of the pipe that you mentioned. And I'm just going to show you all. So this is all far away from the end of where the pipe is ending, and like I said, this is more, I can show you, but this is how it's happening. My whole finger is going down, and I'll explain it to you obviously more in the email when I write to you. But look at this is all 15, more than 15 feet actually. I was trying to take a picture if I can take exactly how far away this is happening, but unfortunately my tape is not big enough where I can take the picture. So,
and even water is here. Water is here also.
Almost like 20, this must be 20 feet, actually more than 20 feet away from the end of the pipe. So obviously this whole water is not coming from the pipe that you mentioned, this on this side. If you see this, and I'll send you the picture again. I have few after 48 hours from the last rain, and I'll send it to you again after this time when it'll be more than 48 hours from this rain. So you can get some idea about that one. This is another one maybe, although my shoes are going to be good like that, but I'll show you the picture anyway. So look at this, the whole shoe is down, I would say around 15-20 feet away. And I'll show you more areas. So look at this whole shoe is down again. And this is, I'll send you again the picture. See, I'm standing here. I don't know if you can see it. Look at this. This is, I'm an adult, I'm like almost 5 feet 8 inches, so you can understand where's my shoe size. And look at my shoe, what's happening to the shoe. Here, and again, this is another 10-15 feet away from the end of the pipe. So I don't know, I mean, obviously I'm going to write in the email more about the location of the pipe, why I did that. But this pipe I change literally 3 or 4 times in a day, just because of that. I told you, my neighbors have problem with that, so I have to change it. I cannot leave it in the front all the time. So I bring it in 3 different positions. Like I said, this is the end of the pipe, so I can show you. This is the end, and I'm just walking in the water. So you can see, this is all the pipe. I have come almost like 15-20 feet from here. So you can see this is another, this one. I'll again walk towards pipe so you can get a good picture. Look at this. Look at this. I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to say. This is not like I'm just saying something for the sake of saying. If the problem was not there, I wouldn't have bothered you. I wouldn't have really troubled you for all this stuff. So anyway, I'll just write a little bit more about all what's happening here in the email. But I just wanted to show it to you because you mentioned about the pipe particularly in the picture. So I wanted to at least clear that picture through this video, because I think Mr. Rick put some picture particularly thinking that pipe is causing the problem. So I'm definitely thinking it's not because of that. But anyway, I'll write in the email a little bit more. Thanks.